Did you just run into QuickBooks Error Code 15276? That frustrating message? The payroll update did not complete successfully. One of the files to be updated was in use and could not be replaced. Don't worry. You're not alone, and more importantly, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to fix error 15276 quickly and easily. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we help you troubleshoot and resolve your QuickBooks issues. Today, we're breaking down the payroll update error 15276. What is QuickBooks error 15276? This error usually pops up when you're trying to download payroll updates in QuickBooks Desktop. It happens when one or more files can't be replaced because they're in use. What causes QuickBooks error 15276? Incompatible QuickBooks installation or operating system, inactive payroll subscription, missing latest payroll tax table, incorrect registry entries, or simply outdated software. Now, let's fix it, solution by solution. Solution 1. Verify Internet Explorer settings. Set Internet Explorer as your default browser. Make sure your system's date and time are set correctly. Check cipher strength by visiting intuit.com. File, Properties. Go to Tools, Internet Options, delete temporary files. In LAN settings, enable automatically detect settings under the Advanced tab. Make sure SSL 2.0 and SSL 3.0 are checked and TLS 1.2 is unchecked. These settings ensure QuickBooks can connect securely. Solution 2. Clean install. QuickBooks Desktop. Open Control Panel. Programs and Features. Uninstall QuickBooks. Rename the QuickBooks folder. Reinstall. QuickBooks with your license and product key. A clean install resets corrupt or missing components. Solution 3. Set the latest digital signature certificate. Navigate to See, Program, Files, Intuit, QuickBooks, find and right-click QBWebConnector.exe, Properties. Go to the Digital Signatures tab. Make sure Intuit Inc. is selected. Click Details, View Certificate, Install Certificate, finish the process and restart your computer. This ensures QuickBooks can authenticate updates. Solution 4. End QBWebConnector.exe process. Close QuickBooks Press, Ctrl+, Alt+, delete. Open Task Manager. Find QBWebConnector.exe under the Processes tab. Right-click and choose End Task. Reopen QuickBooks and try updating again. Solution 5. Run Quick. Fix my program from QuickBooks Tool Hub. Download the latest QuickBooks Tool Hub from Intuit's official site. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation prompts. Launch Tool Hub. Go to Program Problems. Select Quick, Fix My Program. Let the tool run and complete the scan. This built-in repair tool can resolve many program-related issues automatically. Pro tip to avoid error 15276 in the future. Always keep QuickBooks Desktop updated. Make sure your payroll subscription is active. Avoid interrupting the payroll update once started. Regularly reboot your system to prevent files from staying in use. If these methods didn't work for you, don't stress. Sometimes the issue goes deeper and needs professional attention. Fix your payroll errors. Save time. Stay productive.